because we've already made it and put all the stuff in. We're just renewing the soil. If you're wondering how we did this, we went to Bunnings, we looked at all the prices and until yesterday. Yesterday we went and got all this stuff.
And what veggies have you got?
I've got some broccoli here, brown onions there, snow peas there, and garlic here. This is purple garlic. And as you can see, we've got the frost crop here. So yeah, we've got this little hand rake and this little shovel little thing. Now I'll put it that side. Now I'm just being a little bit careful here because you know why? If you heard me, you're probably correct because it can sometimes upset the plants. It's a bit hard with the skunks. And we're just about to get behind here. Now would you believe it guys, this used to be a sand pit. Yeah. I'll show you what I mean. I'll just show you all the plants go. Look in here, this is the sand. That's the sand coming